Human Electrostatic Discharge Indicator of ESGK Company Limited is the product that measures static electricity from a worker's body and in an industrial site and discharges it. It makes static electricity measurable and removed as you enter the explosion-proof site. Then you can work safely. Static electricity removal touchpads and general human body static electricity removal products currently being used at gas stations do not implement static electricity measurement displays. So they cannot check how much static electricity is charged on their bodies and whether static electricity is completely removed in real time. The human body electrostatic discharge indicator, which can quantify and check static electricity in real time and remove it directly by supplementing these disadvantages, can measure static electricity from minus 20,000 volts to plus 20,000 volts, and has an alarm function and red notification function in case of high voltage on the human body. If you touch the measuring sensor, static electricity is measured and displayed as a numerical value. When you press the sensor, static electricity is removed. It can be made of wall-mounted or desktop type to use easily.